Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some Google Apps tips and tricks you need to know on your devices. And if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So it is another episode, and then in this video, the first I want to share with you is the ability to add two emojis in order to just form a sticker. So that is one of the cool things I've seen so far. So in case maybe I just want to add this emoji right here, like this rock right here, and then add this, you're going to see it's going to create an emoji which looks a bit cool. That means it has two emojis like the rock and then also the zipped mouth, and you're going to see it right here. That is pretty much very cool. And you can just add other ones too. You can see right here, let's say you add this and you add a rose, and you're going to see it right here, the rose is in the mouth, and these are the two emojis I added, and that is basically very cool. So I think this is one of the cool things you need to try. In case maybe you've not yet seen it, the best thing you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store and then update your Gboard so that you're going to get this feature in case you're not having it yet. And that is basically very cool. So let's check out the next feature or tip you actually need to know, and that is really going to help you out too. So the next feature is within the YouTube app. So now Google has actually made it very easy for us to just get our videos we watch on YouTube to be translated into some other languages, and very soon it's actually going to be compatible with a lot of languages right here. So when you want to watch a video and then start getting the captions for the video in your language, what you need to do is you tap on this settings icon right here, and you tap on caption, and then you're going to tap on auto translate. So when you go to auto translate, you're going to see the new languages that are supported right here. That is Arabic, Chinese, traditional, and then Dutch, French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Thai, and Vietnamese. So let's say maybe I turn it to Japanese, and then I'm just going to tap on my video like this for it to play, and then you're going to see it translating right here. So that is basically very cool. So in case you're Japanese, you can just watch this video with ease whilst the video is in English, and then you're just gonna watch and then enjoy. So let's listen. So many times a lot of people think trying to remove your Google account, you would have to just reset. So that is one of the great things Google has actually added to the YouTube app. So you can now just watch your YouTube videos freely in some languages, and very soon it's actually going to be rolled out to a lot of languages. And if it does, I'm just going to come up with a new video for you guys to alert you guys so that you're going to be able to watch your YouTube videos in your local language. So let me know in the comment section if you like this feature, and check out this video right here in case you missed my previous video on Google Apps and Updates episode. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.